Welcome back to Healthy Food for All. Let's go through the ingredients for the Aloo Matar recipe. Here I have 4 to 5 boiled potatoes, 1 cup of tomato puree, rapeseed oil, 1 cup of frozen peas, 2 dry red chilies, ginger, 1 chopped onion, turmeric and coriander powder, and 1 tablespoon of cumin and mustard seeds each, along with asafoetida. In a wok, take 2 tablespoons of rapeseed oil. Add asafoetida. Once the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and let it sizzle. Then add 1 teaspoon of cumin, 2 dry whole red chilies, and then half an inch of ginger. Add 1 chopped onion and cook until golden brown. Add a cup of tomato puree. Cook the puree for 7 to 8 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder and 1 tablespoon of coriander powder each. Add a cup of frozen peas. Add the boiled potatoes. 100 grams of Aloo Matar sabzi contains approximately 113 kilocalories. Then add 250 ml of water. Add salt to taste. An interesting fact is potatoes and peas when combined with rice and chapati makes it a complete protein. That is, it consists of all the 9 essential amino acids.